knife. What'd you do with the knife? What did you do with the knife? Wait, what? It's supposed to shoot out. The thing that we have prototypes. Wait. It is kind of. It kind of. Oh, it's slowly. Here.
Oh, it's going really slowly.
It's supposed to shoot out. Here, take this. Here, I'm gonna add more. Okay. Alright.
Come on, shoot out.
Really hot. No, back up. Back up.
It's hot.
Yeah, that's hot.
Oh my God!
That's
Wait.
hot.
It's supposed to. It was lower. Like it was used to be down here.
Yeah, it was like down here. Okay, I guess it's slowly rises. No, don't touch it.
Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more.
Pretty hot.
Come on, come on.
It's hot when it comes out. No, you have to like trap air in it.
Oh.
No.
Come on, a little bit.
More hydrogen peroxide, maybe.
Why isn't it shooting out? Oh, did you? Okay, there's a visible node. Okay, there's a visible. It's visible that you could see. You could already tell.
Stay back! It's coming out!
Oh my God.
How hot is it?
Yo!
It's cold now. Oh, it's hot at the bottom. Oh my God! Woohoo!
Boy.
How hot is it in the bottom? It was hot and now it's cold, but. Oh, bro! This. Ew, nah. Okay. Marcos, go grab like a big cup of water. Like a ton of it.
Yo!
I'm not like. This is awesome!
This feels so weird!
I know. Let me feel it.
Feel it?
Oh. Bro, it's supposed to shoot out, but this is even cooler. I know. Let me feel it. David.
Oh, yes.
David, somebody with 2 clean hands. Open the water bottle.
No such thing here. Really? Whoa,
Pour it on me. Pour it on me. Like.
Okay.
Alright, back up. Everybody, back up.
Wait, pour it on my hand? Pour it on mine?
Wait, pour it in here after you pour it on his hand. Alright, wait, pour it in here now.
Yo, it's dripping off.
In here, bro. In here. Water.
Okay, I think we should use the hose.
Yeah, go grab. Somebody turn on the hose. Check and see if you have yeast.
Why?
Where you are. Hey, stop.
Everybody stay where you are.
Yo, I'm gonna upload this to YouTube and then I'm gonna leave a link to it on.
Alright, no, wait. Yeah, hose down the table. Turn on full blast. Let me go in. Mickey!
No!
Let me do it. No, put your hands under your water.
Why'd you do that?
That hurt, Bro, I just killed the football and like the knife hit me.
Okay, I think I'll just.
That's easy.
Hey, Kiki, stop eating it. No.